Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about logarithmic equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find the domain in here. That is about s is greater than number 0. Now we have the formula a to the power of log base a of b. This one we have b. Now I will put number 2 for the both side. So we apply this formula in here. A that is about number 2, B that is about S, and this one we have S. And now we calculate this one, and that is about 128. This is the end. Thank you for watching.